Hey, what's going on? It's Portuguese DIY Dad. Today we're gonna fix my windshield. We have this chip right here, and we need to take care of it before it gets too complicated, right? Because from a chip it's gonna start to crack, and then before you know it, you got to spend $700, $800, $900 for a new windshield. All right, especially now the newer cars, they have electric components and it becomes more expensive. So I bought this kit. It was only like less than 15 bucks. It's called the Rain-X Windshield Repair Kit, and we're gonna follow the steps and repair our windshield for less than 15 bucks. All right, let's go. This says that it fixes cracks, chips, bull's eyes, and stars. All right, and all right, let's open this up and check out what's inside. Looks like we have multiple pieces here. We have this, and this is going to help us direct this little, I guess you can call it, funnel that will help you put the resin onto the crack, right? Then we have this thing that's going to push it in to the directional. I think it's called the directional. Alright, so we have that. We have the actual resin. And the cool thing about this is that I was looking, and you can use this multiple times. So, you know, if you can hold on to it, and if you get another chip or another vehicle, whatever, you can use this. So it's a $15 investment that can save you probably thousands. They do send you a little razor. Alright, so we're gonna use that to kind of help clean up the area before and after, and that's it. All right, so let's get started. Hey, before I get started, smash that like button, okay, and subscribe to the channel if you like what I do, or if you just follow along. I do multiple things. I work on cars, I work on my farm, I work outside, indoors, outdoors. I also do little projects in the house. So if you like that kind of stuff, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it, and every time you give me a thumbs up, right, it pushes it out to more people, and I do appreciate that. So here's the where is it? Right here. Here's the little chip. All right, we're gonna use this to just kind of get all the little pieces of glass, if there aren't any. Okay, I did already wipe the windshield, the glass. I wiped it down, try to clean it as much as possible, try to clean up. All right, looks good. Right now we're gonna put this right above where it is. So let's see if we can do a good job doing this one-handed. All right, can we see the chip? See it? It's right in the middle. All right, I'm gonna squeeze down on these suction cups. All right, and it's smack in the middle. Look at that. Boom. Alright guys, next we got to put the resin chamber. Alright, and it screws in. What you don't want to do is you don't want to put too much pressure, right? Because you don't want to make it worse. Okay, but once it's nice and snug, okay, the resin is going to go inside. We're going to drop the resin in. And by the way, all this kit, I'm going to drop it in the description box so it's easy for you to find. Alright. And now we're going to use the pressure driver to drive it into the hole. Alright, and then what you want to do is wait about 5 minutes. Alright guys, it's been about 6 minutes. We're going to unscrew this. We want to make sure that there's no air bubbles in place, and if there are, then we're just going to reapply it again. Simple as that. Hey, real quick, do you have a car that needs seat covers? Well, I found this company called Coverado, and they make really good quality seat covers. I got them myself. I installed it in a Mazda 6, and check out this video of the seat covers that I installed. They look really, really good. I turned a 2009 Mazda 6 to a 2025 Mazda 6 seat-wise, right? So check out that video. Check them out. Thanks, friends. Alright my friends, it's been 6 minutes, about 6-7 minutes, and we're going to just remove this whole thing. Alright, so it says in the directions to untighten it a little bit and then go ahead and pull the suction cups out. So we're going to do that. It says to remove any excess any excess resin. And what they also do, I just want to show you real quick, what they also do is send you these plastic sheets. So it's looking good so far. All right, we're gonna wipe all the excess. And the directions say that we're going to put a little bit more resin right here. All right, and then we're gonna put the sheet right over it. All right, like that. And we're gonna wait another 5 to 7 minutes until that's dried up. Once that's dried up, then we can go ahead and use the razor blade, scrape off any excess resin, and that's it, my friends. We are done. We just saved ourselves a lot of money. You can probably figure out the rest, and you don't really need to watch me scrape the excess with a razor blade. So thanks for watching. I appreciate. If you want to buy this kit, click on the link right below this video. If this video saved you some money, smash that like button. All right, I appreciate it. God bless.